So we are doing the Feb March 2023 paper. Okay. The first
Yeah.
question, please read.
What is the purpose of accounting? To enter each business transaction twice in the books of account, to prepare financial statements and provide information for decision making, to prove that the total debit entry is equal to total credit entries, to provide financial information for the business's bank manager.
So what would be the purpose of accounting?
It would be to provide financial statements and to provide information for this decision making.
To prepare the financial statements. Entering transaction twice could not be the purpose of accounting. Making
Yeah,
debit equal to credit could not be the purpose of accounting. Giving information to bank manager is not the purpose of accounting. The purpose
yeah,
of accounting is to prepare financial statements. So correct option is B. Go to the
yeah,
next
correct. This is option B. Next one. 3. What is the correct order of processing?
Yeah.
Oh, no, sorry. How would a business owner know that he is receiving a return on his investment? His bank account is no longer overdrawn. His drawings have increased. His income statement shows profit for the year. His working capital has increased during the year. Okay. How would the business owner know that he has received return on his investment? So return on his investment means profit, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, so
Return
it's
on
option number C.
Yeah. Return on investment means your profit on investment. Okay. It is not necessary that you receive the profit or not. It is
Yeah,
what you are earning. So if you have a profit, if your income statement is showing you profit for the year, that means there is a return on the amount that is invested. Can you give me the formula for return on capital employed?
return of capital employed is profit upon capital employed into 100.
How do you get capital employed?
Non-current liability
Plus
plus
capital.
capital. Sorry.
Plus current liability. Plus capital. Yeah.
Yeah.
Go to the next one.
What is the correct order of processing accounting data using double entry system? Business documents, journals, ledgers, trial balance. Journals, business documents, ledgers, trial balance, ledgers, business documents, trial balance, journal, trial balance, business documents, ledgers, journals. Okay, so I think it's option number B.
First, you will have the business document. Based on the business document, you will record your transactions in your journal. From
Oh
the
yeah.
journal, you will take it to the ledger.
Hmm.
From the journal, you will take the things to the ledger. From the ledger, you will take the things to your trial balance. So the correct order to record the accounting data is document, journal, ledger, trial balance. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay, go to the next one.
1 minute, please. Ada bought goods on credit from Zuri. Later, she returned some of the goods to Zuri. How did Ada record the return in her books? So Ada is the buyer.
Mm-hmm.
Zuri is the seller.
Mm-hmm.
So Ada for Zuri. Okay, wait. Ada is the buyer, right? So it'll be purchase returns.
Okay.
Purchases is debit, so purchase return will be credit. So the answer is C.
Okay.
Hmm.
Fifth one.
Samir owns a shop. To determine his selling price, he marks up his inventory by 50%. He took inventory for his own use, costing $100, but did not pay for it. Okay, so inventory for own use is drawings,
Hmm.
and drawings is always debited.
Hmm.
So C and D will not be the answer. And since the markup is 50%, we'll add 50% to 100.
So
So
when
that would
I
be,
say drawings, will I take the goods? Will I take the goods at cost price or other price?
at cost price, right? Whichever is lower.
Cost price. What is the cost price?
$100.
Hmm.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. Next one.
In April, Meena sent Ralph invoices for $170, $240, and $125, and a credit note for $63. In the same month, Ralph sent Meena a debit note for $70 and a check for $107. There was no opening balance. Oh, okay, miss, in this we have to make the SLCA.
Okay. So Meena is sending invoice.
Hmm.
That means Meena is selling.
Yeah, it's Meena is the seller.
So Meena is sending Ralph the invoice. Yeah. So Meena is
Yeah.
the seller. Meena
Hmm.
is the seller and her customer is Ralph. In Ralph is like an SLC account. So if we have a balance begin down on the debit side and above below that we will have credit sale.
Yeah, but there is no balance breaking down.
So I'll write dash. Credit sales is for 170, 240, 125. Credit note is for sales return. Sales return is for 63. Okay.
Yeah.
Meena had sent a debit note for 70. So credit note is for 63, debit note is for 70.
So seven.
Based on the debit note, do you pass any entry?
No, you don't, but discount will be 7.
Sorry.
No, you don't pass any entry,
So if
but
she
the
is
discount,
returning the goods, you will give discount also.
yeah, because she might have. Okay,
Based
no.
on the debit note, you don't pass any entry.
Oh, okay.
Okay. You will pass entry only based on the credit note. And there is
Okay.
a check of 107. So I want
Hmm.
to know the balance on Nina's account at the start of April. So these are the transactions in April. There was no balance. So they want to know the balance on 1st of May. So I want to know the closing balance. How will I find the closing balance?
Miss, I'm doing it 1 second.
So you
The
will
close the closing balance is 365 on the credit side.
so at the debit side, what is the total of the debit?
535.
535. 535 minus what?
535 minus 170.
63 minus so 365 is the
Hmm.
balance. So what is the answer?
The answer is C.
Now 365 is on the last date of April. You will bring down the balance on May 1, right?
Hmm.
So on May 1, it will be 365 what?
May 1 will be 365. Oh, yeah, it'll be 365 debit.
Yeah, so even if you write it on the credit side, this balance is the debit balance. Closing balance appears on the same side. Sorry, opening balance appears on the same side. And closing balance will appear on the opposite side.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay? So even though this is appearing on the credit side, it is a debit balance. Go to the next one.
On May 1st, Bashir purchases goods on credit with a list price of 200. He is given a trade discount of 20. If payment is made within 28 days, a cash discount of 10 will be given. Do we record cash discount?
We record cash discount if they make the payment within 28 days.
Yeah. So we don't know that.
Amount is credited to supplier's account. Okay, so if they make the payment in 28 days, I will give cash discount. So right now I have no information about the payment, so I will not do anything for this. In the supplier account balance, we can down credit purchases. Credit purchases will always be recorded at which price?
Net list price.
Net list price is what?
So
List
net list
price minus trade discount.
minus trade discount. Yeah. So this will be, he's given $20 ka trade discount. So 200 minus 20, which is equal to 180, and the answer is B.
Okay, go to the next one.
The following errors were found after trial balance had been completed. The total of sales account was overcast by 25. Miss, overcast means opposite side. So sales was debited by $25.
No, opposite side. This will opposite side you will do correction.
Oh, okay.
So sales was overstated. So that means credit was overstated. So when I do correction, I will do sales debit 25. Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
Overcast you write on the opposite side. So sales account has a credit balance. When I have to correct it, the opposite side, the correction will be on the debit.
Debit balance, yeah.
So sales will be debited by 25 and suspense credit by 25.
Yeah, that I got. Huh.
Okay, this is with the first thing. How about the second thing?
Okay, so the second thing is the total of the wages account was overstated by 25. So wages is an expense, and expenses are debit. So in this one, it will be wages, credit, suspense, debit.
Okay, 25. So suspense and suspend wipes off.
Yeah.
Okay, so will there be any difference in the trial balance?
No, because
They are compensating each other.
yeah.
Which statement is correct about the trial balance that had been completed, that was completed before? So which statement is correct? Was the total of debit column more?
No.
Was the total of credit column more?
No.
Was the total of debit column more?
No.
The
So the
total of
last
debit and the total of credit column were equal. It's option D.
Yeah.
Can we go to the next one?
Yeah.
What are they asking you? Which items has been recorded on the wrong side of the trial balance?
Okay, I have to do spade clips for this. So I'm
Yeah.
writing that down.
So come on, premises is it the correct side?
Yeah, premises is debit, that's correct.
This is an
Fittings,
asset.
fittings is debit, that's correct. Provision for depreciation is wrong, it should be debit.
No, provisions are
Oh,
always
sorry, yeah,
debited.
provision is always credited. That's correct. Bank loan is wrong.
So
Spades.
loan is wrong. So I'll go to the option and I'll see. In option A, there is bank loan. Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
option C also there is bank loan.
Hmm.
Okay, fine. So option B is and C goes away.
Yeah.
Come on.
Okay.
Now,
After bank loan,
after that,
purchase.
smart work. General expenses.
Yeah,
So
general expenses is credited when it should be debited.
it should be debited. So
Yeah,
here
so
is the general expenses in option C.
yeah, so it's no.
The general expenses in option C?
No, so it's option A.
Option A. Then do another smart work. Premises at costs. Then it was not wrong, right?
No, premises is
Cost.
correct.
So this option also wipes off.
Okay.
Correct option is option.
A.
Can you tell me the correct place where bank overdraft will go?
Credit side because it's overdraft.
Okay, fine. This is done. Now go to the next one.
Okay. Mona paid 32. Mona paid
Read
3200.
properly.
Mona paid 32,000.
Read properly.
Mona paid 32,000 for a new motor vehicle. This included $100 for fuel and 250 for road tax. She debited the purchase account and credited the bank account with 32,000. Which journal entry corrects this error? Okay, I'll do wrong reverse correct rectification.
So you can tell me, I will write over here. What is the wrong that she did?
She credited the bank account with 32,000.
Purchase was debit
Hmm.
and bank was
Credit.
credit. Okay, what is the reverse of this?
Purchase, credit, bank, debit.
Bank debit, purchase credit.
Hmm.
What would be the right entry?
The right entry, the correct entry is 32 motor vehicle debit,
And
bank credit.
motor vehicle would be debited by 32,000.
Hmm.
Motor vehicle expenses. Motor vehicle expenses is 100 and 250.
Oh yeah, sorry, even that will come. Even that will be debited by 350. And then
Bank will be credited by, now listen to me very properly. This 32,000 included the 350.
so it'll be minus
Yeah, 32,000 minus 350. So it would be
3150.
31,650.
Yeah.
So the correct entry is motor
31.
vehicle debit, motor vehicle expense debit, and bank credit 32,000. Now
Hmm.
rectification entry. You will add this, both entries.
Okay.
Bank is debited by 32,000 and bank is credited by 32,000.
So cut ho jayega.
So that will get cut.
Yeah.
So you will have
So the
motor vehicle. Yeah, tell me.
hmm. So correct entry is motor vehicle debit, motor vehicle expense debit, and purchases credit by 32,000. So the option is C.
Yes, very good. Go to the next one.
11th. Shaiza's trial balance failed to agree and the difference was placed.
And the difference was placed in a suspense account. Please read properly.
And a difference was placed in a suspense account. Shaiza discovered the following errors. Number one, a check received for $280 had been credited into the bank's account. And number two, a check to Nunu $50 had not been entered in Nunu's account.
What was the balance on suspense account before the errors were corrected? Come on.
Okay.
Now, reverse correct rectification. Check received. So it should be bank debit. Yeah?
Yeah.
What did you do?
She did credit it to the bank.
Reverse.
Bank debit.
So rectification will be
Bank debit suspense credit.
280 plus 280.
Hmm.
Next one.
Just 1 minute.
Check to Nunu had not
Hmm.
been entered in Nunu's account. That means bank was already credited Because check to Nunu means gave a check to Nunu. That means bank is credited and Nunu has to be debited.
Yeah.
But I did not enter it in Nunu's account. Yeah, correct? It is
Yeah.
Nunu debit, bank credit. I only did bank credit.
Okay.
Bank would be debit. So this cancels. So rectification entry would be
Nunu debit,
debit,
bank credit.
suspense credit.
Oh, sorry, bank will be cut. Yeah, suspense credit.
So what was the balance of suspense account before this error? So balance of suspense account would be addition of these two.
610.
So 610 debit or credit?
Credit.
Okay, fine. Can we go ahead?
Yeah.
Next one.
On 31st July, the bank column in Jay's cash book showed that he had $300
Come on.
that he had $312 in the bank. On the same date, his bank statement showed a debit balance of 53. It was found that bank charges $47 had not been recorded in the cash book, and a check $318 from a customer had not been credited by the bank. Oh, this is BRS.
Bank statement.
Yeah.
Balance. Debit balance means the overdraft. Okay.
Does
Over
debit balance means overdraft or credit balance means overdraft?
in the bank statement, when the money is coming in, it is credit. And when the money is going out, it is debit.
Okay. So
So
it's
there was an
overdraft.
overdraft as per bank statement 53. And Jay's cash book showed that he had 312 in the bank.
Yeah.
Bank statement showed an overdraft balance, but his cash book showed a positive balance. Later he found that bank charges had not been recorded in the cash book, and a
So
check
my
of 318 from a customer had not been credited by the bank. So balance as per cash book will reduce by 47.
yeah, minus 47.
So balance as per updated cash book will be how much?
359.
312 minus 47. It is
Oh, I did plus 47. 265.
Okay, 265. What is the
Yeah.
bank balance that should be shown in Jay's financial statement? Okay,
Wait.
there is an unpresented check, right?
Yeah.
Check received but not
Hmm.
yet credited. So in the statement of financial position, I will show what amount.
371.
Why?
Because you have to do 53 plus 318
Why 380? See,
because the check
the
is,
difference between these two is only because of what? Right now. Because of this 380.
yeah,
Okay. My actual bank balance is how much?
265.
So only this will be the amount that I will show in the statement of financial position as an asset.
Okay. So the answer will be A. I got it.
Okay. Otherwise,
Hmm.
this is a negative balance. 53 is a negative balance. It does not have the deposited money. It does not have the deposited money of how much?
318.
318. So from this minus 53, I will add 318. So it will become how much? 265.
Yeah.
Okay, go to the next one.
Why is a sales ledger control account prepared? To enable the income statement to be prepared quickly, to ensure that all ledger accounts are accurate, to provide a summary of transactions with credit customers, to show the amount due from each trade receivables. Um, 1 minute. No, not the first one. Miss, to provide summary of transaction, that is also wrong. To show the, yeah, it's D is also, yeah, it's B. Yeah. Okay. Jason provided the following information. March 1, sales ledger control account balance 400 debit. 31st March, credit sales 520, check received from trade receivables 300, bad debts written off 45, and check received from a credit customer dishonor 10. Miss, I am making the PLC. I'm making the SLCA. 1 minute.
Can you say and make? Can you please say and make?
Yeah, okay, I'll say and I'll make. So the debit side balance will be 400, balance breaking down 400. Then will come credit sales 520. Then on the credit side, bank will come 300. Then on the credit side, it'll be bad debts 45. And then on the debit side, it'll be dishonored 10. And I'll tell you the total because the debit side is more. 930 is the total. And the balance closed down is 585. And then the next day ka balance breaking down is 585. Got this. The following payments were made when a new machine was purchased. How much was the capital expenditure?
Can you
Okay.
read the question clearly because I'm recording it?
The following payments were made when a new machine was purchased. How much was the capital expenditure? Cost of machine 32,000. Charge for delivering this machine 1,800. Insurance of machine 2,000. And wages of employees installing the machine 3,300. Insurance for machine won't come in this because insurance is a revenue expenditure. The rest three will come and the total is 32 plus 1,800 plus 30. It's 35,100. The answer is C. Why should a manufacturer charge depreciation on her factory? To calculate the residual value of the equipment, to provide the replacement of the equipment, to spread the flow of cash flow over a number of years, to spread the cost, of the equipment over its useful life. Um, D is wrong. Oh, Miss, how is D correct?
Why do I depreciate an equipment? We depreciate assets to spread the cost of the asset over its estimated useful life.
Yeah.
Okay?
Oh, yeah.
So this answer is option D.
Hmm.
Go to the next one.
A manufacturer provided the following information. Machinery at cost 20,000. Provision for depreciation of machinery 7,200. Loose tools at valuation 2100. Machinery depreciated at 20% per annum using the reducing balance method. Additional tools were purchased. No depreciation is provided on loose tools purchased during the financial year. On 31st December 2022, loose tools more than 12 months old were valued at 1850. What was the depreciation charge for the year ended 31st December? Okay.
So what is the opening valuation?
Opening valuation is
2100.
Yeah.
At the end of the year, you valued it at how much?
1850.
So depreciation for these tools will be
1 minute. 250.
50. So it would be option A or option C.
Yeah.
Now calculate depreciation for machinery.
Okay.
It is 20% on reducing balance method.
Yeah.
So
But first,
20,000 minus 7,200 is 12,800.
yeah,
And into 20%,
yeah, into 20.
it is 2560.
Yeah, so the answer is A.
So the answer is option A. The remaining questions we will continue in the next one.